Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Nanny Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Nanny Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in login.nannytax.co.uk and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Nanny Tax account. Enter your email address and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your password and tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Nanny Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.